this is what this goes in. This is a seed. This is the pod for the seed. You eat the seed.
Oh. You like to eat the young little seeds, huh?
I like to eat the fat ones.
Oh, you like the fat ones too?
I only like the fat ones.
Nice.
But I do like to eat the soybeans. I've never tried a soybean.
And you like them?
That's why I want to keep eating them. They're so good.
Good.
Look, some fat ones are over there.
Hey, hey, hey. It's Sheldon. I'm out here in the field again. All right, it's been a pretty good day today. I am out flying the rice fields and a couple soybean fields. A couple things I wanted to show you. First of all, check out these dragonflies. A whole bunch of dragonflies. A whole bunch of them. They just keep swirling around. And second of all, this soil right here, it's got some swell shrink properties. And so it means that as it dries, it's gonna make these cracks. And as it gets wet, it's gonna come back together again. So this soil, it is a very clayey soil, and clayey soils tend to have those swell shrink properties. And so check out this crack. It's a big old crack. Check out my hand right next to it, and I can put my hand clear out. Like, you drop your phone, it's gone. It's going who knows how far down in there. Big old cracks. So I'm not saying that it's common in very clayey soils. Vertisols.
And it will make a bunch of clay.
That's a soil order of vertisols. Ultisols sometimes can get it.
Sometimes glass in it.
Oh, you found some glass? Yeah, this soil tends to have lots of glass in it too, unfortunately.
I dropped it down.
A whole bunch of sunflowers. I think they plant these for erosion control. Unless they have like a sunflower seed side thing.
Try not to drop your
I mean, one other bonus is, besides keeping the side of the field from eroding, it's gonna provide excellent dove hunting. I see so many doves out here all the time. It's pretty awesome. Yeah, so that soil is pretty cool. Like growing up, I came from Utah, and where I live, they had some swell shrink properties as well, but nothing like that it goes down like a foot. You can't even see the bottom of it. And Adelina wants to show you something. What are you going to show them?
Clay.
Yeah.
Clay. I got it from the soil.
But yeah, so I'm out here flying these soybeans. It's been a partially sunny, partially cloudy day. Not too bad. It's not always the best for drone imagery, just because if it's completely clouded or completely sunny, that's the best. So if you can keep the sky a consistent light, that's good. But when it's going from like sunny to a cloud going by, and it messes with the quality of images you're gonna get, because it may be sunny hitting the drone, but beneath the drone directly, it might be a little bit shaded or a little bit more sunny, you know, just it can mess with it that way. But for the most part, it doesn't have any effect on it, especially during solar noon when the sun's straight up in the sky. And so that's why we're going to aim to fly during those solar noon hours. So anywhere from 11 to, you can go till about 3. It just depends on that sun's angle. Once you get too far down, the reflectance comes up at a bad angle, so your quality of images aren't as good. So that's about it for this week. Just flying and playing, huh, Lina?
Yeah! We love soil!
Yep. Till next time.
You'll see
Subscribe,
us tomorrow.
like it, comment, tell your friends, and we'll keep things coming.